Hey guys, today we're going to be cleaning the headlights off of this 2009 Hyundai Accent. There's a lot of contamination, there's a lot of UV wear, and the protective barrier on the lens is slowly peeling away. So to restore the shine, to restore the clarity of the headlight, we're going to use a product we've used many times before, and that is Meguiars PlastX. Now, this, I've used it in countless applications, and it definitely does help. However, it doesn't last as long as I would like it to. So after we use PlastX today, we will also seal it with a nice acrylic wax such as this one, and that should help make it last a tad bit longer. So here we go, we're gonna get started. The first thing you want to do is mask off the unwanted areas, because PlastX is an abrasive and will scratch your paint. Now that we have the headlight nicely masked off, I just want to go over the headlight and show you the imperfections here really well. So you guys can see the front portion of the headlight is fairly good. There's small, as you can see, there's some small imperfections here which should be removed no problem. However, as we move up, we see a little bit more haze yellowing to the headlight, so this whole portion is nice and hazy. So take your product, make sure you shake it up really well. I like to be really generous with the amount I lay on the headlight, so go ahead, feel free to just give a nice coat on there. And we're just using a paper towel here just to rub it in. Apply medium pressure and go in circular motions. If you guys do have a buffer, you can apply this product to a regular terry cloth or microfiber pad, and this will do the same job. It'll be a little bit faster and a little bit more effective. We're probably gonna have to do 2 coats in order to get the clarity we want, and 1 bottle goes a long way, so don't feel like you're using too much product. We're gonna mix it up here and just go left to right. Alright, grab your clean microfiber towel and let's just go over the headlights. And wow, what a difference that made already. Let's go over it one more time. This is after 1 pass. The clarity, the difference is amazing here. Look at that. Yeah, so I'm fairly happy with the results here, but we will do one more pass just to be extra sure. Alright guys, and there you have it. This is after 2 coats of Meguiars PlastX here. As you can see, this looks really good, really clean. The yellow contamination is gone. You can't even tell the difference between what used to be the clear part and what used to be the yellow part. It's all uniform in color. Now, just to give you guys a comparison, this is the new one that we just freshly cleaned, and then this is the old one, which wasn't as bad as the other one, but you see all the imperfections, the haziness of the headlight. The front is clear as well, but you can see it gets hazy on top all the way up. So we're gonna repeat the same steps we just did on the right side, and we're gonna have a good clean looking headlight on the left side, and all together that's gonna make the car look like it did in '09. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe on the videos. Definitely highly recommend PlastX product here. Definitely use it with an acrylic wax if you want it to last a little longer. Highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.